Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take in-depth look on Logitech SCRIBE user guide. What's in the box? Camera unit, camera mounting bracket, mounting template, share button, boundary stickers, MOLLE bolts, power injector, dongle transceiver, Cat5e cables, cable clips, IEC C8 power cord adapter, wood screws. Package specifications. Overview. Camera overview. Connections overview. Installation. Recommended camera placement height. If needed, apply boundary stickers to mark the max capture area. Step 1. Attach the camera mounting bracket, mark screw hole locations using the mounting template. Step 2. Plug in the Cat5e cable and choose a routing option. Step 3. Attach the camera onto the camera mounting bracket. Step 4. Connect the Cat5e cable to the power injector. Insert cable connected to camera to out. Step 5. Connect the power injector to a power outlet. Step 6. Connect second Cat5e cable to the power injector. Insert cable connected to camera to in. Step 7. Connect the other end to the dongle transceiver. Plug the dongle transceiver into the meeting room PC. Recommended button placement height. Install the button 30 to 48 from the floor. Step 8. Install share button. Remove the battery pull tabs only after you have mounted share button to the wall. Step 9. Start whiteboard sharing from meeting room touch controller. Step 10. Confirm calibration to finish setup. If calibration is correct, press the share button to confirm. If calibration is incorrect, download Logitech Sync to adjust boundaries. Step 11. Ready to go. Press share button to easily start and stop whiteboard sharing into meetings. Product dimensions. Troubleshooting. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.